The beauty of AR is that it provides a hands-free way to access data while staying present in the real world. In our previous episode, we looked at the architecture that makes augmented reality possible. But technology is only as valuable as the problems it solves. Today, we are exploring the practical applications of AR systems. From the way we learn and play to the way doctors save lives, AR is fundamentally changing how we interact with information. Applications of AR systems. The beauty of AR is that it provides a hands-free way to access data while staying present in the real world. This has led to massive shifts in three primary sectors. 1. AR in education. Education is being revolutionized by immersive learning. AR allows students to visualize complex concepts that are otherwise invisible or difficult to understand. Interactive textbooks. Imagine a biology student looking at a printed diagram of a human heart through a tablet, only to see a 3D model pulse and pump blood in real time. History and exploration. Students can visit historical sites or see ancient artifacts reconstructed right on their desks. Real-world example. Apps like Google Expeditions or Elements 4D allow chemistry students to combine virtual elements and see chemical reactions safely in a digital overlay without touching a single test tube. 2. AR in medicine. In the medical field, precision is everything, and AR is becoming a critical tool for surgeons and trainees. Surgical assistance. Surgeons can use AR to see inside a patient before making an incision. By overlaying MRI or CT scan data directly onto the patient's body, they can identify the exact location of tumors or blood vessels. Training and simulation. Medical students can practice complex procedures on virtual patients, receiving real-time feedback on their movements. Real-world example. AccuVein is a handheld AR scanner that projects a map of a patient's veins onto their skin, making it significantly easier for nurses to start IVs or draw blood on the first try. 3. AR in entertainment. This is where most people first encounter AR. It creates a new level of engagement by bringing digital characters and stories into our living rooms and parks. Gaming. Games like Pokemon Go turn the entire world into a game board, using GPS and cameras to place creatures in real-world locations. Social media. Every time you use a face filter on platforms like Instagram or Snapchat, you are using sophisticated AR facial tracking to overlay digital masks onto your image. Interactive cinema. We are moving toward a future where watching a movie might mean walking through your own home while the characters play out the scene around you. Conclusion. As these examples show, AR isn't just a gimmick. It is a tool for enhancement. It adds a layer of intelligence to our reality that makes us more capable, better informed, and more entertained. In our next and final episode for this chapter, we will look at the related technologies that often get grouped with AR and summarize our journey through immersive tech.